Welcome to SG Investment. Our channel is dedicated to helping you make informed decisions about your money and to guiding you on your journey towards financial success. Subscribe now and join our community of like-minded individuals on the path to financial freedom. Warren Buffett's ultimate rules of investing. Warren Buffett is a well-known investor and business magnate who is widely considered to be one of the most successful investors in history. He is the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway and has a long track record of generating impressive returns for his investors. Buffett follows a value investing strategy, which involves identifying undervalued companies and buying their stocks with the goal of holding them for the long term. He looks for companies with strong financials, a competitive advantage in their industry, and good management. Some key rules that Buffett follows in his investing approach include: 1. Don't lose money. Buffett's first rule is to avoid losing money at all costs. He emphasizes the importance of not taking unnecessary risks and being disciplined in evaluating potential investments. 2. Look for companies with a durable competitive advantage. Buffett looks for companies that have a strong market position and are able to maintain their advantage over time. This could be due to their brand, intellectual property, or other unique assets. 3. Focus on the long term. Buffett is a long-term investor and believes in holding onto stocks for the long haul. He has said that he looks for companies that he would be comfortable owning for at least 10 years. 4. Don't diversify too much. While diversification is generally considered a good thing in investing, Buffett believes in focusing on a few high-quality companies rather than spreading investments too thinly. 5. Don't follow the crowd. Buffett advises against following the crowd or trying to chase after the latest hot stock. Instead, he suggests focusing on fundamental analysis and making investment decisions based on a company's long-term potential. Conclusion: Warren Buffett is a successful investor and business magnate known for his value investing strategy. He looks for undervalued companies with strong financials, a competitive advantage in their industry, and good management, and holds onto their stocks for the long term. Buffett follows a few key rules in his investing approach, including avoiding losing money, looking for companies with a durable competitive advantage, focusing on the long term, not diversifying too much, and not following the crowd. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.